Hello everybody, this is Olena Spicer again with another process video for you. So for this one, I'm just grabbing a bunch of different things and kind of putting them all together, and I will have to tell you about this one when we get there. So I'll just start arranging the papers. Again, these are just some leftover papers that were on my desk from recent projects, and I do like I feel really motivated using up all these older scraps of paper and just saving things. I'm still thinking what I want to do for the cover of this journal and the inside cover. I was thinking about maybe, as of right now, I'm thinking maybe I'll just paint the front cover black and then attach something to it. For the inside cover, I usually like to do some I learned it in a journaling class a while back, but you put some current information about yourself, like you can say where you live, how old you are, where you work if you work, or just anything, kind of like a little snippet of your life right now, and I really like that idea, so I might do that. Sounds like my neighbor started mowing their lawn. I'm not sure if you can hear it. If you can, I apologize about that. It, like always, just starts when you're almost ready. So anyway, that's what I'm thinking for the cover so far. I know like junk journaling covers is one thing, and there are a lot of examples of that online, but I feel like for these just pre-purchased journals, there's not much available as far as inspiration online. People show mostly what's inside the journals and less what they look like on the outside. And I know some people don't decorate them, and that's an option as well. So again, just arranging some random pieces of paper. This one is from a really long time ago. I probably had it laying around for 4 years by now, but in a drawer, and I was looking for something else and I found this one, and I think it reminds me of a time. It's from a block of origami paper, and it reminds me of the time when I did some origami with my students. So I know we all save our pieces for a reason, and they old hold special memories for us. So I'm really happy to be putting this in a journal, and sometimes I think that maybe I should write this down. Maybe, write down why I saved this piece of paper and what it means to me. But any journaling is good journaling, and I could get to that later too. But I've heard from Christelle too. Hi Christelle, and she said that she also makes copies, or was it Cheryl? I'm sorry, I know both of you answered and you just said you make copies of receipts in order to, if you want to preserve them. So I just don't. Well, as I was filming this, my memory card ran out of space. So always something, so I had to stop, but I think you saw me mostly do everything. I just put a little bit of this washi tape in a couple spots, and then before my battery cut off, I think I started telling you the story about this word. So with my students, we sometimes, for like a brain break, we do New York Times Wordle or Spelling Bee or categories, one of those. And so that particular day we were doing the Spelling Bee one, and then I heard some commotion in the back row and someone saying, show it to Miss Spicer, don't show it to Miss Spicer, someone getting up, going to show it to me, someone else saying don't. So I just said, okay, bring it over here. And this is what it was. So it was kind of a funny story, so I wanted to include that. But I don't necessarily want to just have it staring out of the page, so I thought I would put it behind this, and I'll just make sure I don't adhere this top flap, so you can raise it and see the word, and enough of it will poke out so you can see that something is there. But I like this this packaging too. Looks fun for these Instax film. So let's see, so we'll put this maybe right here, and I just put a date of when this particular story happened, and then we can still see the word behind it, so that will be fun to open it one day and see what it was. And then I had a little bit of an empty space here, and I had a tiny little shopping list from that happened to be from the same day when we played the spelling bee, so I thought I'll just put it on here. I am thinking about maybe, have you ever done Wreck This Journal? So I'm thinking about maybe like setting aside a couple pages in this journal for things like that. Like in the Wreck This Journal, one of the prompts is to fill up the page with grocery shopping lists. So I thought about maybe doing that, or just also leaving a couple pages for things that maybe I want to save, but I don't want to necessarily do a spread, a whole spread, so then I could just like glue a bunch of random items, random but meaningful items. And this is a neighborhood kitty who I feed, so I wanted to include him here. He's really cute. And I think that will be the end of my spread. So here how it is turned out. Thank you very much for watching and bearing with me as I go through all these memory card and video camera issues. Hope you have a really great week. Bye.